I'm introducing you a new part of the Fred Health series. It's called Fred Health. Don't even think of it, Gavin. Since it's the first time, I just ask questions myself and you have to answer them in the comments. Okay, here you go. 1. Should I make an orange video? 2. Have you started My Stalker 69 already? 3. You know which account of music and health I should make? If you know something, tell him. 4. Have you back with me and you're the cool already? 5. Since when can I count to 5? By the way, there's an account set with YouTube called Health Invasion. All you have to do is just go to hawaiiparktalk.com and search for Yellow Man. Then just pick a picture that isn't taken yet to make an account. With the example, Abe Wigan Health Bells, Fred Health Bells, me. That's why I made this account. Now for entertaining. Musician Health Bells mates of these mates. Because of these. Hold on a second, I'm search for more. Judgment Health Bells Voting, Mrs. Health Bells, Burglar Health Bells, Businessman Health Bells Hotel, Epic Health Bells, and much more. Country Center. What will be Fred Health Bells in the next video? An interview? An attempt at parkour? Or is he just gonna do a crappy dance? You'll see it next time. Don't forget to comment ideas. I'm already out of inspiration after one video.